G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're doing is having a look at a magnificent Grander freshwater pool, okay? And I'll say that again, a incredible Grander freshwater pool, because what we're all used to when we say a freshwater pool is a chlorinated pool, full of chlorine and chemical, or a saltwater pool, and it's full of chemical as well. And whenever we get out of these pools, the chlorinated pools, we just smell of chlorine, heavy chlorine, couple of showers. And this pool is just not like this. It reminds me of the days when I used to swim in the river as a kid. The water is just amazing. I can drink this water. So when you get out of the pool, you just don't smell. Your eyes don't sting. It's just an incredible thing. And it all runs off the amazing Grander, the Grander system, which just treats the water on its own accord. I've got a few good notes here that I sort of want to share with everybody, because this pool is actually 30 years old, okay? It's a 45,000 litre pool, but it hasn't always been a freshwater pool. This was actually a saltwater pool before. And when I was talking to the owner about it, it's been granded now for about 4 years. And you can see how clear it is. I hope that the video does it justice, because it's just crystal clear, this pool. And they only run the pump on this for about 3 hours a day. The ongoing cost and the maintenance are just nothing compared to a freshwater, to any other sort of pool, to chlorine, to salt. This just stands out on its own. What they did is, when they converted this pool, they got a submersible pump in it, pumped all the water out, put one of the amazing Grander rods into the basket that we'll have a look at in a minute, put a bit of liquid chlorine in, some calcium, and up she came. And this is how it came, and it's been the same ever since. It's just quite amazing. They, over a Christmas period and things like that, when all the grandchildren and everybody's here, there's up to 25 people swimming in this pool all day long. But they say that it doesn't even get cloudy and dirty, just a little bit of cloudy water by the end of the day after all of that people swimming and jumping around it, etc. And by next day it's just beautiful, and it's back the same as it was, nice and crystal clear like this. Okay, so there's a filter that runs in it, and that filter does run whenever 3 hours a day when the creepy crawly's on or whatever's going. But apart from that, it just looks after itself, okay? You can see down here on the ground near the basket, we've got the Grander rod, and I'll just show you, just simple, how easy it is. Okay, so here we are, and here we are at the skimmer box, okay? So this is a skimmer box, the same as on any swimming pool, and all we're going to do is put the amazing Grander rod into the basket, and that's as simple as it is. The Grander rod just goes into the basket, it works forever, it'll treat the pool, it takes care of the pool, and it's doing all the hard work for you, okay? And it seriously is just an amazing process, and I'll just tell you, this water is that good that I can just drink this water straight out. You can just drink the pool water that you're swimming in. It's just fantastic. There's no bugs, there's no chlorine, there's no smell. It's just magnificent fresh water, and it requires very little maintenance, okay? So let's go down and have a look at the pool doser now. The next step in the process for creating your own freshwater pool is to install the doser, okay? The sanitizer doser, okay? Now, this doser works for only 1 hour per day and runs off its own timer, okay? Once that is injected, here's the injection point here, where it's injected into the main line, all right? And this is the original sand filter that was with all of the pool equipment you can see here when the owner purchased the place. So everything still remains intact, and it's still used, and it doesn't need upgrading. It's only the doser here that we would change over if you wanted your own freshwater pool, okay? Now, the chlorinator's still up here, and that's basically been turned off since the family moved in here. Now, when they go to leave, if they want to get the everlasting Grander rod out of the pool, and the chlorinator even, and the doser, take the doser with them and go to their new home, they can do that. And then they can simply turn on the chlorinator and convert this back to the saltwater pool, which is how it started originally, okay? Then in relation to the doser, it's very, very easy to look after this. It runs automatically. There's a small squeeze tube here, and they'll replace that every 6 to 12 months. The clear tubes are replaced every 2 to 3 years, and the injection point here is cleaned every 6 months. Apart from that, it looks after itself, and the pool is just taking care of itself. So that's about it, folks. It really is that simple to convert your own pool to have a grander freshwater swimming pool that really is just that, a grander freshwater pool. Have a look on the site, check out the pages, give Grander a ring direct. They've got everything set up, systems in place to help you out, everything you need to convert old pools, new pools, chlorinated pools, saltwater pools, doesn't matter. Give us a call, get a magnificent pool like this in your own backyard, and you'll be very happy that you did. Thanks very much.